518 Bravo Papa, safe flight conditions.
Currently it's clear. Cloud bases are about, I think, 3,000.
Thank you. United 380, descend and maintain 3,000.
Descend and maintain 3,000, United 380.
387, once you're slow, descend and maintain 6,000.
Alright, once at 230 down to 6,000, Teresa.
United 380, descend and maintain 1,700.
Down to 1,700, United 380.
518 Bravo Papa, turn left heading 180.
Left 180 for 8 Bravo Papa.
Bravo Papa, heading 165.
165 for 8 Bravo Papa.
United 380, advising you below the bases and have the field in sight.
United 380, field in sight.
United 380, cleared visual approach runway 8, towers 18-3.
Tower 118.3, cleared visual runway 8, United 380.
Eight Bravo Papa, turn left heading 140.
140 for 8 Bravo Papa.
Allegiant 387, cleared direct Libby, descend and maintain 2,000.
Direct Libby down to 2,000, Allegiant 387.
Bravo Papa, 5 miles from the final approach, fix turn left heading 110, maintain 2,000, establish on the final approach, course cleared RNAV Zulu, runway 8, use caution wave turbulence, 5-inch trail of a Boeing 737.
Left 110 and maintain 2,000 till established on the RNAV Zulu for runway 8, and we'll look out for that wake turbulence for 8 Bravo Papa, thanks.
518 Bravo Papa, towers 18-3.
Over to tower 18-3 for 8 Bravo Papa. Jacksonville Tower, Cirrus 518 Bravo Papa, established on the RNAV Zulu for runway 8.
November 518 Bravo Papa, Jax Tower, runway 8, clear to land 1030 16 22.
Clear to land, runway 8 for 8 Bravo Papa.
Cirrus 1 Charlie Juliet, Jax Tower, you can be ready upon reaching. 8 firm. November 518 Bravo Papa, cancel landing clearance, runway 8, continue, Cirrus will be holding in position.
Cancel landing clearance and continue for runway 8 for 8 Bravo Papa.
November 1 Charlie Juliet, runway 8, line up and wait, traffic 4 mile final, Cirrus. Alright, line up and wait, 1 Charlie Juliet. United 380, right turn on golf, contact ground. Right turn on golf, contact ground, United 380. Cirrus 1 Charlie, Juliet, turn right heading 140, runway 8, clear for takeoff, 1030 16, gust 21. Alright, right heading 140,
Runway 8 clear for takeoff 1, Charlie Juliet.
November 8 Bravo Papa, runway 8 clear to land, wind is 03016, gust 21.
Clear to land, runway 8 for 8 Bravo Papa.
Low Tower, Legion 387, just outside Liberty for the ILS 8.
Legion 387, Jax Tower, runway 8 clear to land, wind 03015, gust 21.
Go to land 8, run Legion 387.
November 1 Charlie Juliet, contact departure.
Departure 1, Charlie Juliet.
$500.
November 8 Bravo Papa, you can make that right turn on Juliet and then contact ground.
Right on Juliet and contact ground for 8 Bravo Papa. Jacksonville ground, Cirrus 518 Bravo Papa is on Juliet, clear of runway 8, heading to signature.
518 Bravo Papa, Jax ground, make that left turn onto Alpha, hold short taxiway hotel.
Left on Alpha, hold short of hotel for 8 Bravo Papa.
Or 518 Bravo Papa, you're going to make that right turn onto hotel coming up, and then an immediate left onto Bravo, golf, and a signature.
Right onto hotel, and then left on the Bravo, and then golf to signature for 8 Bravo Papa.
Southwest 1743, turn right, Golf, run on Alpha ground point niner.
Golf, and then Alpha over to ground Southwest 1743.
November 8 Bravo Papa, turn left heading 020, runway 8, clear for takeoff.
Left 020, clear for takeoff, runway 8 for 8 Bravo Papa. Alright, here we go.
American 1925, Jax Tower, runway 8, line up 08.
Runway 8, line up 08, American 1925.
Airspeed's alive. And rotate. Alright, flaps up, positive rate.
Sirius Ace Bravo Papa, start your turn when able.
Oh, go ahead and start that turn for 8 Bravo Papa.
American 1925, fly runway heading for now, runway 8, clear for takeoff.
For the runway heading, American 1925.
Denver 5144, Jax Tower, runway 8, line up 08.
Alright, line up 08, 5144.
Hey Bravo Papa, thank you very much, contact departure.
Over departure for 8 Bravo Papa. Jacksonville departure, Sirius 518 Bravo Papa at 900, climbing 3000.
Sirius 518 Bravo Papa, Jax departure, radar contact, climb maintain 5000, turn left heading 360.
Climb and maintain 5000 and heading 360 for 8 Bravo Papa.
954, 55, push rate, turn left heading 110, maintain 2000, still fast, clear for the ILS, runway 8.
Alright, heading 110, 2000, still established, clear for the ILS, 88 Delta I-54.
American 1476, turn left heading 215.
Left 215, American 1476.
375 Tango, you said to maintain 4000.
Down to 4,000, 5 Tango Whiskey, and we do have Jackson.
Roger, number 5 or 6 foot field.
Jackson approach 0729 Charlie Delta 11000.
For 729 Charlie Delta, Jackson approach, loud and clear. So 954, contact tower 183.
1830 Delta 904.
American 1476, reduce speed to 180 slower.
And we're already slow on our way to 180, Roger, American 1486. 714. Got to departure, American 1925, heading now 040, leaving at 1.82, 3000.
Under 3 Golf Charlie, cancel IFR.
For 938 Golf Charlie Jack, IFR cancellation, receipts, call for Gate 4, good day.
8 Golf Charlie.
Your 1925 Jack departure, rear contact, maintain 15,000.
Maintain 15,000, American 1925.
At 2678, reduce speed 210.
Let us see 10, yeah.
For 5 Tango, turn right heading 180.
Right, 180, 5 Tango.
Chest 662, turn right heading 070.
070, set up 52.
American 1476, turn left heading 170.
Left 170, American 1476.
American 1925, turn left, direct Crosby.
There you cross the American 1925. Roger, in there, 5144, climbing 1.2 to 3000, and at runway heading.
5144, Jack departure, rear contact, maintain 15,000.
Maintain 15,000 there, 5144.
1476, 55, push pitch, turn left heading 110, maintain 2000, still fast, clear for the ILS, runway 8.
Left 110, 25, clear, stage, American 1476.
Such as 662, turn right heading 115.
115, set at 662.
I went a Bravo Papa, clear direct by up.
Clear direct by up for 8 Bravo Papa.